everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. I'm gonna be showing you guys my updated diffusing routine so we can get that maximum volume. If you guys want to see how I diffuse my hair and the whole process, just make sure to keep on watching. Also, I haven't filmed a video in a minute, like a hair video, so I'm really excited for this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you want to see how I diffuse my hair, then just keep on watching. All right, so I already went ahead and styled my hair with the regular products that I've been using right now on TikTok. If you guys don't follow me, make sure to go follow me on there. I've been doing like a lot of routines and kind of showing like the products that I use. The only thing new that I kind of used was this Brioche Curl Charisma. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I really love Brioche products, but the tools that I'm going to be using in today's video are these kitsch clips that I think I'm just going to be going like this and this. And I usually have a third one to put in the back, but I think today I'm good. But this is really going to help like with a volume, so that's the first thing. And then the second thing is I'm going to be using my pick. This is from Diane. I'm going to be putting all the products down below, you guys already know. And also I have an Amazon storefront which I recently got, so it's just kind of like all the products in one place, so it's a lot easier for you guys. Okay. Then I'm going to be using this new hairdryer which I actually haven't talked about in my channel before. This is the Ava NYC hairdryer. And I just needed a new hairdryer because the one that I had, it's from Revlon, which is really good, but it was just time to go because it was getting like really old. But I was really nervous about like this diffusing cup, but I actually really like it because I like how it like scoops the hair. Also, I really like the quality of this hairdryer. But yeah, you just need to find the hairdryer that works for you. There's many different diffusing like diffuser like heads, so you just need to find like which one works for your hair type and like the ones that you like. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. Let's get right into how I diffuse my hair. Okay, I already have the clips in and I'm only going to keep this in for like a couple of minutes. I already put in my products and I let it settle for a couple of minutes as well. And you guys already know I'm going to be giving it a little scrunch because I always like to do this. So I'm not going to be using my Denman lookalike brush that you guys already know. I'm not going to do anything with my hair, like I'm not going to do any twists or anything like that. I'm just leaving it the way that it is. The key of today's video is to get that maximum volume. I've been loving just like very voluminous like curls, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. All right, so I'm going to get started with putting the heat setting in 1, which is cool, and the velocity to the highest. And what I'm going to start doing is just focusing on the roots and just kind of going around for a couple of seconds. Also, I don't like to stay in one area for, let's say, more than 40 seconds. Personally, I just don't like to like leave it, you know, the hair blow drying in like one area. So I like to move it around. Also, I'm going to be going in like in the back and around my hair just so it kind of starts like drying up. But again, what I'm going to be doing is just kind of like hovering over and going into the roots. And yeah, that's what I'm going to get started with. Now that I've done that for a couple of minutes, I'm just going to switch over to medium heat and just start doing the same thing. I'm just going to be removing the clips for a little bit. Also, I'm not really worried about the part just because I'm just going to start like flipping my hair and kind of going a little bit more in the root area because that area still needs to get dry. Okay, now that I've already done that for a couple of minutes, I'm just gonna be getting like the hair, letting it fall into the diffuser. I'm gonna give it a little shake. Also, I'm just gonna be going like this and kind of like scrunching it with the diffuser. I used to not like to do this before, but I've been really liking to do it. And also, I'm just gonna be flipping like my hair from side to side, making sure I get the back, kind of just going like this, making sure I'm getting all the hair dried. In a little bit, I think I'm gonna go in with my pick just so I can start kind of lifting and helping to diffuse. Sometimes I like to use my hands to just kind of go back and forth, and then sometimes I just like to use my pick. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be transitioning from cool to medium heat. My hair is probably 80% dry. It's still a little bit wet, just a little bit. But what I'm going to be doing now is giving it a good shake. Also, if you don't want frizz, I don't suggest doing this. But if you are fine with that, then I for sure, you know, do a little shake. But I'm just going to kind of get my hands, get at the roots, tilt my head, and then just give it a little shake, go to the back. Give it a little shake in the front, scrunch, and yeah. Okay, but this is how my hair is looking so far. What I'm going to be doing is just doing a couple more minutes. It is quite a long process, but I still feel that my hair is like a little bit wet. So I'm going to continue doing this. Might give it another little shake, and then we're almost done. Also, what you can do is just let your hair kind of like air dry for the rest of the part that it's a little bit wet. I just took off the diffuser, and now I'm just going to be kind of picking my hair and then just giving it a little blow dry. Doing the same thing to the other side. I'm just going to be doing that. Also, again, if you really don't want frizz, I would probably skip up on this step. But if you don't mind that frizz like me, then you can go ahead and do this step. All right. This is how my hair is looking. that you guys really enjoy watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, you guys already know, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.